Hey, so I'm doing this quick unboxing. I got this today in the mail from Amazon. It is the CRKT Kukri knife. So I've kind of been wanting one for a while. It's pretty nice. It's got the double button retaining things, so it's actually pretty good. As far as being sharp, it's not going to cut the hair off. It's not going to shave your hair or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. So we got a few little trees right here. We just seen a black racer snake over here on the ground, so it kind of surprised us. So yeah, we're gonna see how good it does for chopping. Here we go. And that was pretty good little 3-inch hardwood. It's about 3 inches diameter. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. I might have to buy me another. Might have to buy my kids one so they can have something. I am going to do a little bit of sharpening to it. The blade's pretty thin. It's only maybe like 1/8 of an inch thick back here. It's got a full tang and it's a rubberized handle. But it's their KUK model. I like it pretty good. Let's find us another tree real quick. Actually, I'll just chop this one down even lower. Feels good in the hand though, I'll tell you that much. Little backhand action. There you go. Feels pretty good. Feels good in the hand, I like it. So just make sure you like and subscribe and follow my channel so you see more videos of things I'm getting in the mail. Have a good day.